How's everybody doing? You can't answer me because I'm talking, and this is a recording. This morning, I had to take my wife to the hospital for her blood test for her third surgery on her brain to have a cyst removed, or no, shunted. In January, she had a cyst shunted and drained, and it got infected. And they had to go to surgery again and then have the shunt removed. She's back with the headaches. It's an arachnoid cyst she has. So she's going to go in Monday morning, 5:30 in the morning, to the hospital for surgery. In January, when I was driving from the house to the hospital, it was a heavy experience because, first of all, I've never been married before. I want to get and I'm a wolf at heart. I'm very devoted to the person I'm with. I only want to be married once in my life, and once and the only time, right? And I love my wife very, very much. I had a cry that I'd never had before. It was like this person that you love with all your heart is not fighting for her life, but is in the hands of physicians, and doctors. I always, since my back got messed up, doctors have always been guesswork in a white coat, in my opinion. Guesswork in a white coat. But all things considered, they're going to go in there again, and they're not going to fenestrate it. They're going to shunt it again. So that'll be that, and hopefully that'll take care of it this time. She'll look like Ripley from Alien 3, but she thinks it's funny, or G.I. Jane, whatever. But that's love's power. I mean, I don't know if there's any people who subscribe to me who relate. I hope so. Not that I hope you've had pain. I'm just saying it's part of being mortal, and I would hope that it's part of being super, having feelings and compassion and love for the person who you're devoted to. So she'll go in Monday, and be their third surgery in 4 months. And literally after, if you've ever had that or any kind of surgery like that, it's like being hit by a truck, So shout out to all my subscribers: Vocal Brush, Only One Provoked, Marquita Jolie. There's a lot of people I'm forgetting. I can never think of anybody. Bridegroom 777 and guitarist Dan, Motorcycle. I got some new subscribers. I'm gonna do a big video if I get 100. I think people do that, Also, Methadone for Life. Thank you for all the support you've given me, moral support through YouTube, from all the retro baits that troll for hatred and fight, Anyway, remember, wherever you go, there you are. Okay?
I love her so. woman, and God only knows what a woman whose love lingers free. No one can love her more than I love my woman. She's so good to me. Good is my woman.